The Algonquin is a classic cocktail that blends flavors of rye whiskey, dry vermouth, and pineapple juice, creating a unique and refreshing drink. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 ounces rye whiskey, preferably a high-quality rye, 3/4 ounce dry vermouth. A crisp, dry variety works best. 3/4 ounce pineapple juice, preferably freshly squeezed. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Add rye whiskey, dry vermouth, and pineapple juice to a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Shake well until the mixture is chilled, about 15 seconds. Strain the contents into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a pineapple slice or cherry, if desired. The Algonquin Cocktail is named after the famous Algonquin Hotel in New York City, which was a popular meeting place for writers and actors in the early 20th century.